Well, move over Black Friday. Cannabis has carved out its own holiday shopping rush, and it's called Green Wednesday. Our Brandon Gomez joins us with that story. Brandon, we were talking about this hit in advance, and it kind of makes some sense.
Hey, Carl. Yeah, that's right. We've been talking about the trend. But look, turkey isn't the only thing getting baked this Thanksgiving. Turns out today has become one of the biggest cannabis sale holidays of the year, behind only April 20th. Of course, that's 420. And this year, the industry is really cooking. I checked in with some popular brands. THC-infused beverage maker Cann tells me November typically brings in a 40% month-over-month sales jump, and that this year they're already pacing to beat that. Nowadays, another brand also seeing the holiday bump. Last November, sales spiked 37%, making it their biggest month for business. And dispensaries are celebrating too. New York-based retailer The Travel Agency logged its second biggest day of the year last Green Wednesday, double a normal day, with 45% day-over-day gains, mostly from in-store traffic. Now, some big brands like Jif, Taco Bell, and Hidden Valley Ranch have even winked at the tradition in recent years, marketing towards consumers prepping for their, quote, cousin walk. Now, that's a new buzzy trend for a no doubt age-old tradition where younger family members step outside before a big Thanksgiving dinner or to break up stress brought on by relatives to smoke some weed. And Carl, look, it sounds silly, but this really speaks to a broader trend we've discussed. Yes, alcohol still dominates year-end celebrations with a similar spike in Q4 sales, but cannabis is quickly claiming its place in the cornucopia on those Thanksgiving tables. Carl.
Totally get it, Brandon. I am curious what you think of MSOS, the ETF, which for years has not done much to reflect the growing industry. Is it just something about the structure of the ETF?
Yeah, look, I mean, you have to also have the conversation about the fact that cannabis still is not legal here at the federal level in the U.S. There has been conversation about rescheduling. You see MSOS and MJ and a lot of the other ETFs and those cannabis stocks trading on those headlines. And so we're going to have to wait to see what the Trump administration does. They've said they've been in favor of reclassifying the drug. Really, that's what's fundamentally impacting those shares day to day.
I'm still thinking about the why. Like, is it that people have to hang out with family? Is it that we're drinking less? Like,
I mean,
how did this become a thing?
Yeah, I mean, you could say, right, alcohol is another way to sort of folks have traditionally turned to take the edge off. Look, I think we're talking about a more health-conscious consumer, perhaps something that's, become a little bit more discreet too over time. I mean, there's the health implications, like we've talked about. There could be any number of reasons why consumers are turning to these products. The reality is that the demand is there. I mean, Congress just issued this hemp ban to try to reschedule some of these products and get them off shelves, but the consumer really wants to have this alternative product to what they've traditionally turned to, which is those alcohol products.